Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we will review GoHighLevel CRM, a tool that's been making waves in the digital marketing and customer relationship management world. We will take a closer look at what GoHighLevel CRM is, its ease of use, key features, customer support, and finally, who can use it. But before we get into the details, I have a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through GHL's website, they'll give you a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in the initial 30 days. Additionally, you will receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you are going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. What is Go High Level CRM? Go High Level is a cloud-based CRM platform that aims to consolidate multiple marketing and sales tools into one seamless interface. It was created with the goal of providing small and medium-sized businesses with a robust yet easy-to-use solution to manage their customer interactions, their sales pipelines, and marketing campaigns. Unlike traditional CRMs, Go High Level combines multiple tools into one platform, including email marketing, SMS marketing, funnels, and even website building. This integration means that you can manage almost every aspect of your business from one place, reducing the need for multiple software subscriptions and making your workflow more efficient. One of the main advantages of GHL CRM is its flexibility. Whether you want to manage leads, automate follow-ups, or create and run marketing campaigns, Go High Level has the tools that you need. This platform is especially popular with digital agencies. They appreciate the ability to white label the software, allowing them to offer it to their clients under their own brand. Now, this feature has made GHL a top choice for many people in the marketing industry. Ease of use. Now let's discuss ease of use. Go High Level may seem complex because of its many features, but it's actually quite user-friendly. The platform has an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those who aren't very tech-savvy. When you log in, you'll see the agency dashboard. Now, this dashboard gives you a clear overview of your business's sales activity. It's clean and simple to use, allowing you to quickly access important features like your SaaS configurator, prospecting tools, and account snapshots with just a few clicks. Go High Level is packed with features that cater to different aspects of business management. At its core, the platform allows you to manage leads, contacts, and customer interactions efficiently from a single dashboard. The agency dashboard provides a clear overview of your business's sales summary and activity, making it easier to keep track of important metrics and KPIs. Another core feature is the CRM itself, which allows you to manage your leads, contacts, and customer interactions in one place. The CRM is designed to help you keep track of where your leads are in the sales funnel so that you can follow up at the right time and close deals more effectively. The next powerful feature is the automation tools. With GHL, you can automate a wide range of tasks from sending welcome emails to new leads to following up with customers after a purchase. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that no lead falls through the cracks. The automation tools are highly customizable, allowing you to set up triggers and actions based on your your specific business needs. GoHighLevel also offers robust reporting features. You can track the performance of your marketing campaigns, monitor sales, and even see how your team is performing. The reports are easy to generate and can be customized to show the data that matters most to you. This makes it easier to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies for better results. For businesses that offer memberships or online courses, GHL has a membership feature that allows you to create and manage your courses within the platform. This is particularly useful for coaches, trainers, and educators who want to offer their content in a structured, professional way. The membership feature integrates seamlessly with the rest of the platform so that you can automate communication with your members, track their progress, and even handle payments all in one place. Customer support and community. So customer support is a key strength of GHL. The platform provides various support options such as live chat, email assistance, and a comprehensive knowledge base filled with tutorials and guides. The GoHighLevel team is known for being responsive and helpful, which is essential when you are using software that manages important parts of your business. In addition to direct support, GoHighLevel boasts a lively community of users. There are many Facebook users, forums, and online communities where users share tips, tricks, and best practices. This community aspect is incredibly valuable, and it lets you learn from others who use the platform in similar ways. Plus, it gives you a space to ask questions and get feedback. Who should use GoHighLevel CRM? GHL CRM is a great option for digital agencies, small businesses, and entrepreneurs. It offers a complete tool to help manage your customer relationships and marketing efforts. One of the best features of GHL is its flexibility. This platform works well across various industries, including real estate, e-commerce, and coaching. If you're looking for a CRM that can handle everything from managing leads to automating marketing and tracking performance, GoHighLevel is definitely worth checking out. That's it for this review. I hope you found it helpful in deciding whether GHL CRM is the right tool for your business. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the 30-day free trial available through my link in the description. Along with the extended trial, you'll also get access to my full GHL Jumpstart course and $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free. It's everything you need to get started and make the most of your GHL. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. See you in the next video.